Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on the Icon coin. This drop helped many cryptocurrencies to complete their final legs of the bullish reversal harmonic moves, and the ICX is one of them. And today in this video, I'm just going to show you what kind of harmonic pattern the ICX coin has completed. And I've also shared the complete buying and sell targets for this trading idea at the Patreon as well. And here I'm also sharing the different harmonic trading ideas on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. First of all, let me give you some recap. Almost 5 months ago, I shared two major harmonic moves of the ICX coin, and that was the bullish shark move with the Bitcoin pair, and these were the moves, and the bullish cipher move with the US dollar pair as well. And I have been sharing these moves because these were the big moves, I think, on the monthly chart, time period chart. Therefore, I again and again shared these patterns as a recall. And first of all, let me show you this pattern. That was the bullish shark move. I was expecting, as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish shark, the price action will complete this final leg, and after completing this final leg, it will be reverse bullish from here. And you can see this was the monthly time period chart, and after playing this chart, we can see that the price action completed this final leg and moved to the upside. That was more than 250% rally against the Bitcoin. And if I show you the ICX with US dollar, then this was the chart that I shared. I think that that was the month of October, and this was the chart. You can see that on the monthly time frame, the price action completed the bullish cipher move against the US dollar pair. And on 31st of October, I shared this chart. And after playing this chart, we can see at that time it was moving at 32.47 cents. And it has rallied up to $3.20 so far. That is more than 850%. Really very big bullish rally so far. Now the price action has found a very good resistance, a strong resistance at $3, we can see here. And here the price line was rejected by this resistance. Here again, and here again, the price action is rejected by this resistance. Here the price action reached very close to this $3 resistance level and moved down. And here we also have found very good support at $2, and you can see that the price action is likely to be bounced from this support, as after having some consolidation at this level, we are having a green candlestick at this level. And previously you can see that this level has been breaking as a resistance as well, and now here the $2 is breaking as a support. And we also have an additional support of 50 simple moving average, the 100 simple moving average, and then we have the 200 simple moving average as well. But this 100 simple moving average can break as a very good support, because you can see aggressively it is moving to the upside, and it can soon reach up to this level where we have the candlestick and provide a very good support to the price action, and that will help the price line to move to the upside to make another attempt to break out this $3 resistance level. And at the same time, if I show you, this was the daily time frame chart, and on the daily time frame chart, if I show you these exponential moving averages, then you can see that the price line is using the EMA 10 and 21, and most of the times EMA 21, this red one is the exponential moving average 21, as a very good support. You can see we had a good rally and retesting the EMA 21 here, and we had another good rally and retesting the EMA 21 here as well. Then we had a small rally and retesting the EMA 21 here. We had a very good consolidation above this EMA 21, and here we had this final rally up to this $3.20, and use this EMA 21 as a support and move to the upside again here. Try to retest this EMA 21 daily as a support, but we can see that here the price action broke down this EMA 21, and we are also receiving the death cross or the bear cross between the EMA 10 and 21 as well. As this time the both moving averages are touching each other. So far the EMA 10 did not cross down the EMA 21, and previously we have seen that both moving averages went very close several times, but this blue line, this EMA 10, did not cross down this red line. For example, here we did not receive the death cross, here we did not receive the death cross, but here this EMA 10 is likely to cross down this EMA 21. But so far this cross is not so much obvious, and therefore it is not confirmed. However, both moving averages are touching at each other at this time, but at the same time we are also having a very good uptrend line support. You can see that here. If I place this trend line, then it will be more clear to watch this trend line support at this level. You can see that we have several touches at this trend line support, and the price action is also likely to be bounced by this trend line support. This is the uptrend line support, and at the same time, while the price action is at this trend line support, we are also having a harmonic move here, and this harmonic move can produce another bullish rally to the upside from here. And if we try to identify this harmonic move, then this is the bullish garlic pattern, and here I've placed the pattern tool on the price action, and you can see that this is the buying zone of this bullish garlic, and this is the sell zone, and this can be up to approximately 51% bullish rally. However, it can even produce more than that as well, and even it can help the price line to break out the next resistance at $3.20. And we also have this 50 simple moving average support on this 2-day chart. That is in fact the 100 simple moving averages on the daily time frame chart. And I've already shown you that we have this 100 simple moving average moving to the upside aggressively to provide the support to the price action. And this is the same moving average that we have in shape of 50 simple moving average on the 2-day chart, because this is the doubled than the daily time frame chart, the 2-day chart. And therefore this 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart is the 100 simple moving average. And once it will be reached here, then we will have more firm support to provide a very good push to the price action to move to the upside from here. Okay, this buying zone starts from $2.2 and ends up to $1.94, and the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish garlic can be from $2.42 and ends up to $2.93. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and you will also find a lot more other the harmonic trading ideas here as well. And if you want to watch the success rate or any testimony for these harmonic patterns that I am sharing on the daily basis at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link for the video in which I have shown all the trades that I have been sharing in the month of March, in the previous month. And I've also shown you a complete success ratio and unsuccessful trades as well, very transparently. You can watch in that video. Take care. Goodbye.